What's up, y'all? Thank you so much for tuning into my YouTube channel, Mezmor-eyes Beauty. I just want to say I hope everyone is having an awesome day. I hope y'all are keeping safe, wearing your mask, gloves, washing your hands, and practicing all types of safety measures just to keep you guys healthy and safe. So I'm very excited about this video because I am doing a Boxycharm unboxing for the December base box. There's lots of goodies in this box and the retail value is a minimum of $125. So let's get into it and see what we have. And I'm actually using some of the products that came in the box on my face. So as I read the cards and the descriptions, I will reveal which products I am using. So let's get right into it. The very first item is the iconic London Blaze Chaser face palette, and I'm actually using one of these as a contour. So this is what it looks like on the inside. It comes in 6 pretty colors. I'm actually using this color right here for the contour, like around my nose. And then I use some of this soft pink color like around my cheeks. So I'll show you what this looks like. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on the brush and then just put it on my cheek. It goes on really sheer. And I'll go ahead and read the description on the card. It says, an ultra versatile face palette featuring 6 shades of butter smooth velvety powders that complement all skin tones. And as you can see, that is definitely true. You have something in here for the brown skin girls and something in here for the ladies of fairer complexions. So nice, beautiful colors for all of us. This convenient palette contains shades for sculpting, which you see I've done like around my nose to make it a little bit more snatched, and bronzing to add natural looking warmth and definition. Blush shades that lift the face and give you that must-have lit from within glow, and highlight shades for a flattering candlelit radiance. Do I look like I'm in some candlelight? Do I look candlelit, y'all? I was trying to go for like a little softer look for you guys, something bold but yet natural. So I think this achieved that. My skin does look like it's glowing. And it's not just because I'm in the middle of a hot flash either. So that retails for $55. Now, to be honest, y'all, $55 for this, I think not. I can get this right up at CVS, Rite Aid, Walgreens for less than $10. I will not be paying $55 for this palette, but it is beautiful. It does give me that nice little candlelit look like they described, that lit from within like they described, but not $55. The next thing we have is Glamnetic Bella Lashes and Black Liquid Magnetic Liner. So yes, I am wearing the magnetic lashes. I'll get in closer. So here is the case that they come in, and this is actually a 2-for-1, guys. You get the lashes plus the liner together, and this is considered one of the 5 products that you receive in the base box. So like I said, I am wearing the lashes, and they are so easy to apply. Like, I will never ever wear traditional lashes ever. The liner is like this. It comes in a little small tube, and it has a very thin applicator, and it allows the liner to go on just smooth. Now, if you have a steady hand, this will be perfect. Now, if you are unsteady or do not know how to really put on liquid eyeliner, I don't recommend using the magnetic liner, because then you'll have a mess. But if, by all means, if you know what you're doing, this is the bomb. These lashes go on much easier and much quicker than the traditional lashes where you have to apply the glue and all that stuff. You literally just take this stuff out here, create the wing that you want, and then you just boop, pop them right on there. 3 seconds tops. So I'll go ahead and read the comment card, or description card, I'm sorry. It says, Bella is a medium wispy flared lash that gives a classy and beautiful winged eye effect. Made from high quality 100% vegan synthetic fibers, the Glamnetic Magnetic Eyeliner is the magic that holds your favorite or fave Glamnetic lashes in place all day. Now I will say that these babies are in place. I'll try to move them, and they're in place. I don't want to move them too much, because even though they're in place, I still don't want them popping off. But you can see, like, they're on there, and they're cute. I love them. Okay. So the innovative formula is highly pigmented, which you can see that liner is dark. Let me see, where am I at? It requires minimum waiting time. So as long as they ask that you wait until the liner is at least 80% dry, and it dries pretty quickly, guys. So do one eye at a time. Oh, and provides all day hold. So I put these on this morning, like around 9:30. It is like 3:04, and they are still on. So they've been on like most of the day so far, and I mean, they are on there. I haven't had to like reapply them or touch up the liner. Like, once I put them on, they are on. So I do like these. Now, woo, I didn't know that they were $63 though. I mean, it's a 2-for-1er, but still, $63, that sounds like you paying for 2 products to me. Yeah. Okay, so $63. I don't know if I would pay this is like, I don't know, $63 for some lashes. I'm not going anywhere like that serious where I need some $63 lashes. I literally go to work and to Kroger's and to the gas station. So me paying $63 right now just to go take care of my business, I just can't see that. But now, maybe if I was going to like a wedding, or celebrating like an anniversary or something, maybe. I mean, even then, I don't know about $63, y'all. This is a stretch. Or maybe it's just me being cheap, because I am very, very frugal. But still, $63, like, I can't. They're pretty though. I do like them. So if you're one to just splurge and go deep in that bag, this is for you. But I have 3 children. I'm not going that deep in my bag for no lashes. I'm sorry. All right, so let's see what the next item is that we have in our base box this month. The next thing we have is the Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. I was so excited to get this because I have the Elemis Superfood Calming Cleansing Foam. I received this baby in a previous Boxycharm, and let me tell you, I love this stuff. It's made with fermented rice water. It smells so good. It foams up really soft and silky, and it just have your face smelling and looking so fresh and clean. So once I got this, I was just like, okay. I saw this in the sneak peek that they had on, I think, Instagram, either Instagram or YouTube, and I was like, oh, I hope they put that in that box. I love it. I just want it. So they finally did. Well, not finally, but they did. I mean, I only saw it the one time, and I was like, please let them put that in my box, and they did. One thing I love about this, it's like, okay, it says Glow Priming Moisturizer. And it really does have your skin glowing. It's like made, it almost looks like it has like that gold tinted primer stuff or something. It like, once you rub it in, it's like a gold shimmer or something. I don't know what exactly is in it, but I love it. So you just put this on in the morning after you wash your face. Put a thin layer on, let it dry, and you can wear it plain or under your foundation. I'm actually wearing this today under my foundation. I'm wearing the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation. And I love it. So thank you so much for including this in my box. And I'll go ahead and read the description for you guys. It's the, like I said, Elements Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. Reveal a soft, lit from within glow with this illuminating prebiotic moisturizer. Lightweight, multi-use formula leaves skin hydrated while blurring the look of imperfections. Did it do a good job? Is it blurring my imperfection, guys? It can also be used as a primer underneath makeup or as applied as a highlighter to enhance the skin's radiance. So it's like I said, it's got that gold shimmery look in there, and it does highlight the skin and make it look radiant. It retails for $49, and I will definitely pay $49 for this baby here, because I mean, okay, so next we have the Visiart or Visiart. I'm not sure how to pronounce this, but I'm gonna do my best. It's Visiart Seamless Eye Primer. It comes in this cute little box, and underneath this box there's a cute little surprise. If you use the promo code LikeACharm20, you can receive 20% off of your entire purchase at www.visiartparis.com. So I just wanted to throw that out there. But this is an eyeshadow primer, and it kind of goes on kind of like petroleum jelly. It will adhere to your eyeshadow and last all day. So my eyeshadow I put on, like I said, around 9:30 this morning. It is almost 3:30, and it is still looking like I just put it on. So this is really good. Now let's read the description. It says this seamless eye primer works with all eyeshadows to ensure a crease-free and vibrant wear. So yes, it is vibrant and it is crease-free. So it is doing its job, and it retails for $24. Again, I'm very, very cheap. So would I pay $24 for this when I can just go right up to CVS, Walmart, Walgreens, or one of those type of stores and get a cheap eye primer? No, I don't think I would pay $24. But thank you, Boxycharm, for including this in my box. It's the only way I would know about this, because I wouldn't buy it. But it does work. So if you're willing to pay the $24, it does work. So by all means, knock yourself out. Okay, so last on the list we have the Original Makeup Eraser, and it comes in a cute little box like this. And what it is, you can actually wash it. Let me just read the description for you. It says the first ever machine washable sponge. It's specially formulated by the Original Makeup Eraser, and it features the same unique wash technology to erase makeup out of your sponge simply by machine washing. So the sponge, it's actually, let me see, and I actually used this today to create my look. This part down here is for your foundation, so I just blended my foundation in with this bottom piece right here. I use this outside piece for my contouring, and then you use this part right here for the concealer, like the under eye. So, and then what you do is you just pop this baby in here. You just pop this baby in here like this, twist it, and then you can just throw it right there in the washing machine. So first ever, and I think this is cool. I like it. So let's see, this retailed for $18, and only because I'm able to throw this baby in the washing machine will I pay $18. I can get a whole pack of these beauty sponges for less than $10 at CVS. So thank you, Boxycharm, once again for including it in my box. I'm very pleased with it, so thank you. Now, as I said before, all of this in the base box retails for $125, so or more. So let's add all of this up and see what the final total is. Okay, so I've added all of the items together and they retailed for a total of $209. So for $25 this month, I got $209 worth of products. So again, let's go and review what we got. We got the beauty sponge. We have the face palette. We have the tinted priming moisturizer. We have the 2-for-1 lashes with the liner. So those are the 5 products. Thank you again for watching my video. If you haven't already done so, please like and subscribe. And meet me back here when I have my next video. I'll try to do one at least once a week. So I'll see you next time. And you guys be safe. Wear those masks, wash those hands, and take care. Have a good day.
피냐콜라다 아코세페 너의 피부색처럼 drip